The US is getting a new passport design that's expected to be fully rolled out at the end of this year. The new passport has updated artwork and offers enhanced security features. In this video, we talk about the changes you can expect with the new US passport. Find out what will change when you get your next US passport. But first, we want to thank you for joining us. Find us on all the other social media channels. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click that bell to get notified when we release a new video. We also appreciate your likes and comments below, as it helps to support our channel. Oh, and don't forget to check out our website at immigrationandmigration.com. This video is brought to you by IAM. We believe that travel improves and inspires you and the people around you. We help you travel by providing services which overcome barriers and frameworks that simplify and enrich your experience. We just happen to be immigration lawyers. So reach out to your IAM visa coordinator when you're ready for your adventure, or already on one and would like some assistance. Travelers awaiting their new or renewed US passport this year may notice some changes in the appearance of their freshly issued travel document. American citizens needing to renew their passports, or those getting one for the first time, will get a document with a brand new look. The US State Department has been rolling out what they call next-generation passports. A few were rolled out in 2021, but they will shortly be the only ones available for international travelers. Unfortunately, between now and then, there's no way to request a next-generation passport, and there's no guarantee that's the new passport you'll get for now. The next-generation passports look similar to the current style, which has been around since the early 2000s. The most noticeable change is on the data page, where the current color photo is being replaced with a laser-engraved black and white image. The next-generation passport also features enhanced images of US history, culture, and traditions on the visa pages, and there is a new perforated passport number throughout. As opposed to the current 9-digit passport number, new IDs will be alphanumeric, each starting with a letter, followed by 8 digits. A tad smaller than its predecessor, the next-generation passport has 26 pages in a standard book, or 50 pages in an expanded book, which frequent travelers can request. Despite the change, current passport holders do not need to request a new passport. Current passports, which in general are good for 10 years, will remain in effect until the holder's expiration date arrives. At the time of renewal, they will get a new generation passport with the new number. Although many of the new passports have been rolled out already, some travelers requesting or needing new passports are continuing to get the old style. It won't be until late 2022 or early 2023 when the new generation passports will be the only ones available. For that reason, holders cannot request a new generation passport yet. Currently, the new generation passport is available in book form only. The State Department expects to offer a new look for passport cards in the near future. What are your thoughts on this issue? Talk to us in the comments section below. If you have plans to travel, check out the deals we have found in the description box below. If you need assistance with a visa to Europe, the UK, or the US, including help with securing your travel arrangements, IAM can help. For visa advice, contact your IAM visa coordinator. If you'd like to get more info on travel, visas, immigration, and citizenship, head over to immigrationandmigration.com for more free content. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for more travel and visa updates.